Hey everyone, back from the cabin. It was rainy all morning, so I didn't really get a chance to vlog a whole lot because my phone was dead, and Nora, my phone was almost dead, and it was just all wet, so I didn't want to get anything ruined. But we made it back. There's a little break in the rain, so I'm gonna take Nora for a walk to try and let her run off some energy. She's just being a weirdo. And that's where we're at for the day. Kind of a lazy Sunday.
We need to get shakes.
We need to get shakes apparently because we missed Shake Saturday. So I might have to do that tonight. So now I took Nora for our after dinner walk because the first one got canceled due to rain. And now we're in a hockey rink and she is running like wild and smelling all the different smells. So she's having a good time. But we'll probably head back soon before it gets dark. And this is what happens when we get home from a walk in the dog park. She is thirsty and tired. Do you like it?